Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute hat. Make a magic circle like this. Insert your hook into this yarn, bring yarn, turn it. Make 2 chains, yarn over, go to this ring, bring yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go to this ring, bring yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Make double crochet. 1, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4, 5. Hide this yarn under a stitch. I made 15 double crochet in first row. Now I have 16 stitches in this row. 15 double crochet with these chains, 16 stitches. Insert your hook into this chain, top of first chains, yarn over, slip stitch. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. Go to this stitch, insert your hook into this stitch, bring yarn and slip stitch. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 4 stitches, slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. 4, skip 4 stitch, slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Skip 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 stitch, go to last stitch, skip, slip stitch. Yarn over, make double crochet. 1 double crochet in here, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make 8 double crochet in here. Go to this hole, slip stitch, yarn over, make 8 double crochet in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slip a stitch, yarn over, make 8 double crochet in here and here. Make 8 double crochet in these stitches. Slip a stitch, in this row go to first stitch, first double crochet, top of first double crochet, slip a stitch, 1 slip a stitch, 2 slip a stitch, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Go to this hole and slip a stitch. Like this. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Skip 4 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip a stitch. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Slip a stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip 4 stitches. Slip a stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Go to this stitch, slip a stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Skip 4 stitches, slip a stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, slip a stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Go to this stitch, slip a stitch. Now stitch 8 double crochet in these chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Yarn over, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5, 6, 7. Slip a stitch. Go to these chains and make 8 double crochet. Slip a stitch. And repeat 8 double crochet in these chains. Slip a stitch In this row, same as before row, a slip stitch 4 times. Make 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains and go to this 1 2 3 4 skip a stitch, this stitch, go to this stitch like this. Make 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, go to this stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 skip for a stitch, go to this stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, go to this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 skip 4 stitch, go to this stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 go to this stitch, a slip stitch, now we stitch from these chains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Make 8 double crochet in these stitches, these chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. A slip stitch and continue 8 double crochet. Eight double crochet and a slip stitch. In first row we have 16 stitches in total. In second row we have 32 stitches. 8 8 8 8. In total we have 32 stitches. In third row we have 64. Repeat 64 stitches from this row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 double crochet, a slip stitch, for next rows. Repeat this row like this row without increase and decrease, like this. Slip stitch 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, go to skip 4 stitch, go to this stitch, slip stitch, and same as before row, this row. This row and continue. We have 64 stitches in this row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 double crochet and slip stitch. If you want to crochet large than this, continue for more rows. I crochet 1 2 3. You can continue for more rows, 2 long hat.